In this video, we are going to discuss how to design a responsive cart page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. First of all, we will take a look at our cart page and later on we will discuss the code related to the cart page. Here I have already started my Apache server to access my cart page locally. That means within my machine. So these cart pages can be accessed only in my machine because here I am using my local server. That means the server related to my machine. This my cart page cannot be accessed remotely because here I have not still hosted my web application to the internet. So here first of all we will take a look at our cart page. The cart page can be accessed from home using this cart icon. So using this cart icon we can access to our or locate to our cart page. So here if there is only a session, the user can visit or locate to the cart page. So this is my design related to cart page when there is no products added to the cart page. So this is an empty design. You have no items in your cart page. So no products added to the cart page. So here we can search the products related added to the cart page using some search process. Later on we will discuss that one. Here now in this video we will only focus about on the design. So here I have added a small icon, bootstrap icon. Here also I have added a small bootstrap, a large bootstrap icon. This is my header and this is my footer. So now we will look at our code related to the cart page. So this is my code related to the cart page. Here I have started a session and required the connection PHP file because we need to load. If there's a product, we need to load the relevant product from the database. So we need the connection PHP file. Wait, I'll show you my connection PHP file to get the idea how we load the relevant products to the database, to the web application from our database. So this is my connection PHP file. So here I have set up a new connection, new MySQL. Using this new MySQL function represents a connection between PHP and a MySQL database. So here localhost root, here we must mention the localhost root, the database username, here the database server password. For security reasons I am not displaying my password. You can add your relevant database server password. Here the relevant database name, that means for your web application which database you need to mention the relevant database name. Here the database server port, it can be either 3306 or 3307 according to your systems. So here I have created a new function IUD for insert, update, delete purposes, and here I have created a search function for search purposes, and here I am expecting the return as a result set. So this is the connection PHP file. Now we will continue with our cart codes. So here if is set, now only the relevant user can access to the cart page if there is a session on. Here if there is a session, I have assigned the session user, relevant session users email to $user. These three variables will be needed for our cart page, that calculations for total number of how many products total you will be needed, and subtotal and shipping for delivery fees purposes. So in the process we will discuss about these variables. As for now, keep you keep it in a basic idea. This will be needed for the cart processes, that means for the product adding and shipping purposes, that means the product total. So here I have mentioned my title and connected or linked the relevant files and internet links. Here I have included the header file, as well as at the end of my design I have included my footer file. And here the breadcrumb means here this is the bread known as breadcrumb. These are Bootstrap classes, so you can obtain those from the official Bootstrap page. So here I have used the breadcrumb, home and page, and here the card title with the relevant icon, Bootstrap icon. Here search and the input field. Here I have obtained a database search result set from the card table where the user's email in the card table must equal to our user means this user session's email, the current user connected to the WooCommerce application, or the current user who is available in the relevant sessions email is only obtained from the $user. So if card num equals 0, that means if there is no result from the card table, then we can show the empty view, else we can show the product view. So the empty view, here you have no items in your cart, and here we have mentioned empty cart class. Here this empty cart class is there for this. In the CSS side we have here the empty cart, height 400 pixels, and the background image must be resources empty cart svg. The relevant image is shown here. This is the relevant image shown here, and the position, background position center, background size contain, and background repeat no repeat. So that is the empty cart class. And here in the else field, or the else, within the else we can display our product. So here here the product design is shown. Here for example I will show how will be the product shown if we added a product to the something wrong. Here, yes, in the connection PHP file I deleted my password. Now I will add that password. Now okay, now the array is fixed. Now we can add a product here. Now product added to the cart successfully. Now we will see in the cart page. Now this is how in the cart page when the product is added. Now here the seller name is mentioned, the product title, the product color, the product condition, the product price, the product quantity, the product delivery fee. Here the requested total is the product price plus the delivery fee. So here the product image is shown. So this is how the code works within the else condition. So if I remove, then the empty view is shown. So in this video I am not talking about that processes. Here I am only focusing on the design. So in the upcoming videos we will talk about the process, how to display the product price, relevant products, relevant price, relevant quantity, relevant color, relevant condition, relevant requested amount, relevant delivery fee, relevant total summary. We will discuss in the upcoming videos. So here I am only focused in the design part. So this is my designing part. So then here the design of the pop-up. So here I will show how the pop-ups also work. I will add a product and show you. So the pop-up works when I take the cursor on top of the image. The pop-up works with the product title and the product description. So here I have loaded the product title and the description from the database to the relevant place where the pop-ups is mentioned. So the pop-up works like this. When I take the cursor on top of the image, the pop-up appears. So the pop-up also I have obtained it from the official Bootstrap page. So this is the code related to pop-up. In detail we will discuss in the upcoming video. There's a separate video for pop-up. So here I have mentioned the price. These are for the summary. Here now the products buy now, remove this. The summary part is here. These are the designs for the product, where the product price, product quantity, delivery fee, color, condition is shown. Here the buy now button and the remove button. Here the requested total. Here the summary. The summary means this. This is the summary design. Here the number of items now available in the cart page, and the price plus shipping and the total. So this is the design of the summary, and that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.